And as the new year continues, it can be hard to stay on track with your resolutions and fitness goals, but don't worry, we have help for you today. Here to give us tips is yoga guru and celebrity trainer, Desi Bartlett. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm so happy to share the joy of movement this morning.
Yeah, you're inspiring me for sure. You look great. Why don't we first talk about, though, how your journey began?
So it actually began right here. I went to ASU and I had a little bit of knee pain. I went to the doctor on campus and he said, "You're totally fine. You just need to strengthen your quad." And I said, "What's a quad?" And he,
Not the quad, the core? The core, the quad?
Quadriceps,
your quads,
right.
Okay.
So he sent me to the local gym, and my joke is that I never left. I fell in love with the feeling of being strong from the inside out. And now I'm passionate about sharing that feeling with everyone.
Yeah, and we're going to talk about some of the celebs who you've trained, which is amazing. And it's in the new book, Total Body Beautiful. Tell me about the book.
Yeah, so the book is like a love letter to women everywhere, especially those going through perimenopause and menopause. And I'm so grateful and happy because Kate Hudson wrote the foreword.
Yeah, that's amazing.
She's a sweetheart. I had the joy of working with her through her third pregnancy. I've worked with Ashley Tisdale, Emma Roberts, the list goes on. And it's really just a blessing to work with women who inspire other women.
Yeah, absolutely. And they all look amazing. So I'm trusting your judgment too. And you also have like easy tips and stretches. Show me one of those that maybe we could look out for.
Okay, so a real easy tip is to simply add some ankle weights. These are bala bangles. They're 2 pounds each. And I love to get into full range of motion movement, anything that's going to move your entire body, or perhaps if you're in yoga, something like a low lunge, because I want you to be strong and flexible at every angle and not just this little like pulsing situation.
A lot of people think yoga is just like for stretching, but it can change your body.
It can completely change your body, again, from the inside out. It helps you to find a sense of peace. And so when our nervous system is calm, then our body functions the way it's supposed to. So we want to look great, of course, but more than that, I want you to feel great.
Okay, and what is your favorite move, one that you really like?
So my favorite move is this move. I call it the windmill. And again, it's full range of motion. And you just find a sense of freedom and you play with it. You turn on your favorite music. I think you said you liked beeper.
I like hot yoga, and
Yeah.
this was my favorite. I can't go all the way back in this, but that was my favorite.
So,
and it does make you feel longer and leaner, and it really, I mean, it is great exercise for your body.
Yes, and so that particular pose, it's called dancer's pose, and you find that sense of stability and strength in your quads, getting back to the original part of the journey, in your core, and then also just the feeling of like that cosmic dance. It's the dance of your life.
Now, if you're reading in the book and you're getting tips, a lot of people think that maybe, oh, well, I'm a certain age, like it's too late for me to start. You say no.
Never. It's never too late to start. The joy of movement is something that we can all enjoy every single day. And you can simply start with walking and breathing. When we connect to that full deep breath, that's when we start to soothe our nervous system. And especially after the last 2-3 years, I think we all need it.
Yeah, I agree. I think mental health, a lot of people have talked about that lately, and yoga can really assist with that, yoga and exercise and movement.
Yeah, so the body and the mind are not separate. Everything's interconnected. And when we take care of our mind, we take care of our bodies and vice versa.
All right, I love it, and I love that you went to ASU, so did I. So I love that, go Devils. And what's great is to see you so successful. We love seeing that too. Where can we get the book?
Thank you so much. You can find the book on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart.
All right, and I almost bought those ankle weights, and those are on Amazon too, everyone. So you can get those there. Again, everyone, you can learn more and find Desi's book at desibartlett.com.